You want to come inside? Oh boy.
Hey. Hi, I got food for you.
Just drive after him.
He's fast. Hey, buddy. Hi. You want a treat? Here you go, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Here.
It's not the yard dog?
It's gonna be hard to get her. She's scared, she runs away.
Where'd she go?
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Good girl.
Baby girl.
That's all she do.
She never comes like right up to you. Yeah, she's skittish as hell.
Come here. She's coming to you. Bruce, relax. Calm down. Hey, come here.
Good girl. Hi, baby girl. Hi, mama.
That way. That way.
Hi, baby girl. Good
You don't want you to
girl.
go over there. You come this way.
Good girl. Good girl. She's right here again.
Here, let's start going, Barry. Yeah, you go there.
Kelly, come on.
Here, I'll go.
No, that way. That way.
There you go. Get there. She's right there.
Hello. Hi. Good girl. You good. Hurry.
Good girl.
Hurry.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl. Yeah.
Good
Good
job.
girl. Here we go.
Keep it tight though, because it's gonna loosen up if she backs. Good girl.
There you go.
Good
Teamwork.
girl.
Hi. Here, you want a treat now?
Yeah, good girl.
Here you go. You want it? You good, mama.
She's scared.
Yeah, you're
Good
very
girl.
scared and cold, huh? Well, thanks for your help.
No problem.
Good girl, come on.
I swear
Good girl,
I was
let's go
gonna
for a
call
ride.
The animal control, but I know they probably kill
Good girl.
her. So I was like, you know, she's not bothering no one. She's not doing anything. We gave her water. We fed her. Light up.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's good with dogs, but with people?
Well, that's his job, though, right?
Yeah.
Good job being nice to her. That's probably why she came so easily.
Yeah.
She's like,
You guys
okay.
take care.
You too.
Thank you.
Good girl. Let's go for a ride. Good girl. Let's get warm. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Up, 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 up. Let's get warm.
Good girl. We got more treats in here.
Yeah, you're a good girl.
She didn't know I was standing there. I was like,
You want that? Here you go.
you play, mama.
You're a good girl.
Come on. You gonna make me pick you up?
You're a good girl.
You want to try to pick her up?
Come on.
Good girl. Do you like to play? Good girl. Let her smell you first.
You okay? Wish we had like a blanket or something. You okay? It's okay. I know, you're so cold. It's okay. It's good. I know it's so cold, huh? I have to take my jacket off.
Let me get out from the back seat.
Good girl. Yeah. Good girl.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. And we came out to get one, and we got one. Let's turn the heat on for you.
Yeah. You must be so cold. She was just really timid because when she saw me standing there, I just put my hand out and then touched her neck, and she didn't even try to rub or anything.
I know, when I saw her looking the other way, and then you were right there, like, oh shit, how's she gonna react? Aw, are you so cold?
Because Dad told me it's already 40 degrees. It's going to be cold as shit tonight.
Aw, you need a blanket. I wish I had a blanket in here for you. We'll go inside and get you warm up. And now we are home. Yeah, you're a good girl. You want to go inside so you don't have to be outside anymore? Do you smell other dogs? Do you smell all the doggies here? You ready? She's like, I'm straight. You want to go inside? Come on, girl. Good girl. This way. Come on. Good girl. There you go.
Girl.
Good girl. You can be warm inside. Here's where all the dogs freak out. You're a good girl.
Girl.
Prince is like another one.
Good girl. Hi. You can come in.
These guys don't even see her yet. He's gonna go crazy. But he's a big baby, so.
Good girl.
And she's just over there scared. Good girl. What's your name?
Sophie.
Why Sophie? Alright, whatever. Good girl, Sophie. Good girl. You got a toy? Come here, Soph. Yeah, good girl, Soph. Yeah, you see the other doggies? Good girl. Good girl. Good job, Daddy. Good boy, Daddy. Doing a little cage introduction here. Yeah, those two will get along great. Farah and Sophie. Farah loves other doggies. Good girl, Farah. Now we're drying her off because she was so wet.
So wet. You're sweet.
Oh yeah, she's a little girl. Getting all dried off, feeling better.
Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Oh, you're silly, huh? Are you silly?
So within 5 minutes, she's warmed up. She's so sweet. Now that we gave all the other dogs treats, she likes treats. Yeah, good girl. Yeah, 1 minute she was shivering, the next she is playing and wagging and give it back. Look at you. Look at you, Sophie. Good girl. Sophie over here just being one of the dogs, wondering where her cage is at. She's like, should be in a cage. Good job, guys. Say I'm over here looking homeless still. Where's my collar?
Does she look like a pink girl or
Purple.
purple?
She's like, I get one too. I saw they had one.
You're not homeless anymore.
Woo! Yay, Sophie! You're one of them. And then Sophie started playing with her twin. They finally met and Daddy decided to get in. And she fits in just fine, like she's another one of Daddy's girls. You got another daughter? It was so quick. Daddy just fell right on top of her and she's just like, whoa. Laying down together.